So today, you'll learn how to cut music in CapCut desktop. So the first step is to open the project that has the music. If you don't already have one created, then don't worry, I'll take you through the process on how to do it. So the first step is to create a new project. And then once you've created your new project, you want to import either a photo or a video. So click on import, open your file explorer. It will open your file explorer. Then you want to navigate to the location wherever your photo or video is. So for example, mine is in my download section. So once it's opened, downloads, and then I can click on CapCut and just select it. So once I've selected it, I can click on open, and then it will be added here. So to add it to the timeline, I can just drag and drop, or I can just click on this plus icon, and then it will be added directly to the timeline. So from here, because it doesn't have an audio yet, then I'll need to add it. And to do that, I need to come to this audio section. And then you want to ensure that this timeline is directly where you want that audio to be added. So because I want it to encapsulate the whole video, I'll put it at the beginning. If you want the audio to start halfway, you'll need to move this timeline halfway through the video. So once you've chosen where you want the audio to be added, you then need to go through this whole audio list and look for the audio that you want to use. Alternatively, you can always choose to use imported audio. And to do that, you can just click on import. Again, it will open the file explorer. So you want to navigate to where your audio files are, so MP3 files. And then once you found it, you want to select it and then click on open, and it will be added to this import section. Then you just want to click on plus, and then it will be added to your video. From here, to cut it, it's fairly simple. All you need to do is simply just select the file, then move the timeline to that specific spot where you want it to cut. So because this audio file is actually longer than my video, I want it to be cut wherever my video ends. To do that, I can just move this timeline to the end of the video. And then once I've done that, I can click on split. If you have a keyboard shortcut enabled, then you can use the keyboard shortcut, which is Control S for me, but for you it can be something different. So when you click on split, you can then tell that you have now two audio clips on your project. So to delete one, just select this one, and you can click on the backspace or delete button on your keyboard, or you can use this tool at the top of your toolbar and select delete. Once you've done that, you can see the audio file is now the exact same length or whatever length you wanted as your video. Alternatively, there will be some videos that already have an audio file available and you want to be able to cut them. So if you want to be able to do that, you'll need to import that video with the audio already attached to it. So click on import and then select that file. So for me, it will be this one here. It already has audio attached to it. Then I'll click on open. Once I've done that, I then need to add it to the timeline. And then from here, you can see on the project itself that it has some orange, which means that's the audio. So in order for me to remove the audio so that I can be able to clip it, then I need to just right click on the file. And then on this pop-up menu, you need to select extract audio. And you should see the audio underneath appearing. So once the audio has appeared, you can now come back and you can actually split the audio to your liking. So you want to ensure that you actually have the audio selected and not the video. And then once you've done that, you want to navigate to the exact position that you want the audio to be split. And then you want to click on split. Then you'll have two audio files and you can just delete the other one. Alternatively, and these instructions should apply whether it's an extracted audio or it's an added audio, you can always just come and you'll notice when you've selected the audio, it has handles on the right and left side. So these handles allow you to adjust the length of the audio. So you can also choose to use these to customize the length or to cut the audio to your specific liking. And it's completely up to you to decide how long or how short you want it to be. So choose which option you prefer to cut your audio and then continue editing using CapCut. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.